Did you know that by 2050, the global population is expected to grow to over 9 billion, and 80% of that population will reside in cities? On the other hand, cities are responsible for the great consumption of Earth's natural resources, which on the long term is very unsustainable. Hi, my name is Simona. I am a researcher at the Faculty of Electrical Engineering, University of Ljubljani. I work on smart digital transformations in rural and urban areas in order to solve real problems in the communities. Science and technology have the power to make our lives better. That is why I'm working on the newly emerged concept of smart villages, which actually means building on the current strengths and assets and developing new opportunities. To create these intelligent systems, we combine digital technology and innovation, providing higher living standards and better quality of life, better use of resources, smaller environmental impacts, and new opportunities for rural value chains. On the long term, this will also help in achieving economic balance and an overall economic growth. With this, we want to make sure that everyone, regardless of the location of living, has equal access to high-speed broadband, health and education systems, or simply transportation choices. To conclude, our goal is improving people's lives. That is why we start from people and their needs, working toward creating living standards where technology will serve people and not the other way around.